Hi everyone. In this lecture, we will discuss the different types of cloud subscription model in Oracle Cloud Services. So we have two types of services, which are trial services, trial account and paid account. So in trial account, you will be getting few Oracle resources as free to use unlimited time and lifetime. And apart from that, you will be getting $300 of free rewards as a welcome bonus. So in free account, what all you get is you will be getting a two Oracle Autonomous databases with tools like Apex and SQL Developer, and also you will get two compute virtual machines. You will get four ARM Ampere A1 compute instances, and also you will get block storage, object storage, and archive storage. Apart from that, you will get a load balancer, and you can also set up monitoring and notifications. Apart from these services with the free tier account, you'll be getting a 300 US dollar, $300 rewards in your Oracle Cloud account. So with these $300, you can uh, use resources like databases or analytic, cloud computing, content, Kubernetes, and these resources, right? You can use it for 30 days or until this $300 is expired or consumed. So these resources, right, this $300 is valid for 30 days. And apart from this, you will also get a 5 terabyte of storage is valid for 30 days. So this is all about free tier account. In paid subscription, there are two types of models. One is like a pay as you go. Oh, like whatever the usage you use, you pay for the time, whether it is 1 hour or 2 hours, 5 hours, something like that. You can use pay as you go model, or flexi account, which is you pay for a month in advance, like monthly rental amount. Like you can pay for a month, you can lease it for a month, and you can pay for monthly model. So this is how the cloud models are designed. So if you want to open a free account, create a free tier account, just go to the Oracle cloud page where you can find the link offer to create a cloud free Oracle cloud free tier account. When you click on this free tier account, it will open you to this page. So here you have to give your country name or region name, then first name, last name, and you have to give your email ID. Then you have to do the verification, like whether this service is this user account is getting created by a user or a robot. So once you complete this verification, you have to click on verify my email button. So when you click on this button, your registered email ID will get an email notification to verify this account email ID. So once you click on that email link, it will open you this page. So in this page again, it will show you, it will be auto loaded with your first name, last name, and email ID details. Now you have to give your password, confirm password, and then uh, company name is optional. You can, whether it's up to you whether you can give your company name or not. Then cloud tenancy name, it will auto populate your name as your surname, first name, and last name as a cloud tenant, cloud account name. But there is an option to change. It's up to you, like whatever the cloud account name you want to put it, keep it. Then home region, if you are operating from India, you can select like India South Hyderabad, or if you are from North, you can select India Mumbai location as your cloud home region. Yeah. Then once you click, after entering these details, once you click on the next button, it will go to this page where you have to give your address, state, and pin code and mobile number. Once you fill these address details, it will take you to the payment verification method. So here you have to add your credit card details. So this is just for a credit card validation, whether it is a valid credit card or not. The Oracle will be charging some small amount like $1 or something like that, and it will be refunded immediately. So this amount is debited and credited to just verify your payment with the method, and whether you have entered a valid credit card account or not. So once the payment validation is done, you can click on this checkbox where it is you have that at the end, like agreement, below the above the agreement, below the agreement field, you have a checkbox. You click on this, and click on submit button. So once you click on submit button, the Oracle Cloud free tier account is created in 15 to 20 minutes. Yeah, this is how this is all about cloud subscription models. Thank you for watching this session. We will meet in next session.